In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone. So first we can check our current iOS version by tapping on and opening the Settings app. Then we can scroll down until we find General and tap on it. Then you can tap on About. And the second line down should show your current iOS version. So this phone is currently on iOS 16.0.3. So now we can tap on General to go back. And now we can tap on Software Update. So it will check for an update, and on my phone it has found that there is an update available for iOS 16.2. Now if your phone is already up to date, it will say iPhone is up to date and there's nothing further that you need to do. Although I will explain this little section up here called Automatic Updates. Usually this is turned on by default. On my phone right now I have it off. You can tap on this little row to get more options. So first things first, I highly recommend that you do leave this security responses and system files enabled. So make sure it is green. And this will just make sure that your phone has the latest and greatest security updates installed. Now for these top two options, they are optional whether you want to download iOS updates in the background, as well as install them when your phone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. Now you will receive a notification before an update is automatically installed, so that's up to you whether you want to enable these or not. I probably will go ahead and enable both of these just so that my phone is always running the latest system software. So once you've made your selections here, you can go ahead and tap back. So if you do have an update to install, you can tap here to learn more about the update if you want to learn more than just this little blurb. It also tells you how large the update is. So if you're ready to install, you can tap download and install. And now we'll see here it gives us some more information. So right now the update has been requested. And one thing I forgot to mention is if your iPhone has less than 50% charge, it is highly recommended to go ahead and either insert the charging cable here or use a wireless charger so that it can be charging during this update process. Alright, so now it has finally downloaded, and it looks like we need to have our phone at least 50% battery while wirelessly charging. So right now I'm only at 38%, so I'm going to need to charge this up before I can install. Alright, so now my iPhone is over 50% charged, and we actually have an alert here that says a software update is available and ready to install. So you can either tap the install now here, or if you didn't get this alert, you can tap the install now down here. So I'll go ahead and tap this install now. Alright, so it looks like the update has completed, and we get a little notification here that says your phone has been updated to iOS 16.2. So I'll go ahead and tap on that, see if anything happens. I guess I can tap and then tap open. So that didn't really do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the Settings app here. And then I'm going to go back to General. And I'm going to go to About. And now you can see my iOS version is 16.2. Now if I tap back on General and I tap Software Update again, this is where it now says iOS is up to date. So if you found this video helpful, could you please give it a thumbs up down below as it really helps this video and my channel, and consider subscribing if you want to learn more about your iPhone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.